I can't tell you. Maybe it's written up, I don't know.
Must be a big river that's coming from.
You're enjoying your stay, right?
Oh, it's everything. I love when we go on adventures and discover these amazing things. Like you don't know what you're gonna see, and when you get there, you just wanna stay. I just wanna take it home with me and put it in my backyard. There must be a way to get down there.
Yeah, probably a hiking way or thing like this.
Alright.
In summer, it should be a lot of people in the water.
Cool. You see that in the background right now when you film me? Okay, the one on my phone.
Hey guys, look at this. It's noisy, like powerful. You drop something?
Huh?
You drop something?
If I drop something now?
Look. And look how clear is that water. Honey?
Yeah?
You like it?
It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in heaven. I'm at so much peace. Nature just makes me feel so good. Yeah? What? He said, Mama, you know what I like the most? I said, what? He said, food, because I'm very hungry.
You want to see what's there?
Where?
Down.
Yeah, I'm sure it's the same view.
Let's discover.
I just want to stay here. You haven't gone.
Alright, go Tyler.
Hold on.
Okay. This is it. This is it. I see little Tyler. I see little Tyler. I don't see no Tyler now. It's just a view a little closer. Ooh, still the same. Come, Papa gonna take a view of you, okay? Go here. Pause. My handsome man. Come.
Okay, so this point is called Cascade Sodulu, and it also have a restaurant, and you pay €1 to get in, basically $1. So yeah, it was a really amazing stop. There's a restaurant there, and they have an outside dining space. I can imagine during summertime how full it is here. Jeez. Oh, mosquitoes like crazy. It's a little fountain here. Water coming down out this tree.
Hey guys, we just make a little stop. Tyler is not feeling well, and look at that view from the parking. Wow. Don't know how it looks in the camera, but in real It's just wonderful. Mountain on the left. Ooh, look at that cloud. Blue sky on the right, and that view in the middle. I think is Nice. I think is Antibes. See what we have from this side. Just I have to be careful. And then, that's nice. That's nice. I like this. I like this. Look at that. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So we're going up. Wow, look at that. That's cool. We're going up. Let's see what we're going to find there.
Entering adventure 3 of today. 3rd stop. And this village is seeing Halloween. Halloween decorations up. There's ice cream. Over there, there's more people in this village than every stop that we've made today. Still seeing the stone houses, but they look more festive around here. They have candies, candy shop, oh, candy stop, and Halloween decorations. Up, yep. Tell her they have a Halloween event on the 31st.
Witch in the village.
What day is the 31st?
31st, you mean? Oh, it's Halloween day.
Yeah, but is it a weekend or in the week?
That's understood.
And there are stores that sell different things.
It's Saturday.
Oh! Wonder if we can find somewhere like this to carry Tyler. In Tyler? You want to go to a Halloween event? Hmm? You want to go to a Halloween event? Look, they have Halloween decoration everywhere.
I'm gonna put spider.
Inside the restaurant. Also, like perfume refilled bottles. There's a lot of perfumery close by Babes's. Crêperie. Not a good moment for Crepe Fatella. He's gonna vomit down. So I see a lot of people hanging out around because it's goûter time in French, it's snack hour.
Honey.
Hmm? Yeah. It feels like the world is still happening. Yeah, the village that we went earlier, it was
Empty.
empty. Nobody.
Here it is.
Oh, this painting look amazing.
In front of you.
Wow. Okay, we're coming up on one of the most amazing views that you'll ever see through our lenses. So be ready. One of the most amazing views. Be ready. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm giving you the top first, and then I'll... So that's the low shot down there. Look, down there. Look amazing. Those are houses and pools.
There's a tree building on the track about.
Oh yeah, that's a boat building. And Nice, where we live, is right here. Where you're seeing the beach in the corner here, that's where we live. That's Nice. So we are coming all the way from down there. Look at that. Tell her what's wrong. Honey, attend to your child, please.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, mon grand?
Some empty tables in the village, snack hour. All I'm seeing is houses and swimming pools. So the setting of this village is similar to the one that we stopped. A lot of shops, more shops than the one that we stopped earlier. It's quite the same, but I think why I'm seeing more people out is because it's snack hour, and normally in France people go to the little spots for snack hour. So you see fragrance and stuff like that. That's cool. Of the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. She's singing, you guys. We paused. We take a little snack break. Since it's snack hour, we're taking a little snack break. We're getting just a little hot sandwich that everybody going to bite until it finish. And then we're gonna head on our way home. Prinny, princess, Prin. Look. Who's that? Who is that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? She love when she strap onto me, see? So this is curry chicken inside of bread, and they put it in a little machine and make it warm. You ready to bite? Okay, take up one and bite it. A big bite. Ooh, hear that crunch. Ooh, and cheese is inside of it. Look at that cheese. Ooh. It's raining, honey. You guys, this French thing that we're eating is called panini. You should definitely try. Look at Sarah. Look at her. Acting like you never bird feed your baby before. She's a little foodie. It's called panini. It's one of my absolute favorite things to eat in France. It's so yummy. It's warm, and the baguette is so crunchy. I'm a big fan of baguette, but I try not to bite at home because I'll eat it off in 2 seconds. But when I visit French family, oh gosh, I eat the entire baguette off the table. And when I go to restaurants, it's the first thing I start eating. Look at Thailand cheese. Ooh, Thai. It's almost gone. Look at Sarah. Look at Sarah. Look at Sarah.
She's doing for food.
Yes. She said, Mama, my turn. Musical foodie. We find this little house.
This city is
Look at
hot
this.
like 2,000 years ago.
With a little cross. Something most significant about religion.
This, you know how old is this city?
What?
Like from the 3rd century.
Yeah?
Yeah. 3rd
Now we
century.
take our leave. Bless your hearts.
Empire Swap.
We're doing pizza pickup. Is your name up there? Hmm? Look. Papa name. Look for Papa name. Oh, c'est tout ça?
Oui, il y a tout ça.
Oh oh.
C'est bon?
Tiens.
Non. Attends.
Allez, go. Go to Papa.
Voilà. Merci à vous. Oui, bien sûr.
Viens, come. C'est beaucoup, hein?
Une bouteille.
Une bouteille aussi? Come, Tyler. Excusez-moi. Il manque une bouteille. Une Sprite. Sprite, oui. Oui. Merci. Merci. Au revoir.
Mama, please bring rice. Can I bring rice?
Yes, when you guys, so we picked up dinner. Ta-da! Our favorite cheesy bread. And babe tried something new this time. Let me show you. It looks like the cheesy bread, but it's not cheesy bread. Let me show you guys. This one is called raclette. So this one is like the cheesy bread, but it's a special cheese on the top.
Oh, I can smell it when you open it. It came to my nose. Oh my God.
You're a hot mess.
I smell it.
You're a hot bowl of mess.
Tell you that is different.
Oh God.
Oh my goodness.
French cheese is strong. Alright.
I want it.
Sarah definitely wants it. And then we got 2 pizza. So Tyler wanted
What is it?
this one is the one that we normally take with cream and bacon. And then Tyler wanted I'm struggling to show you guys. Tyler wanted the same one he got for his birthday. So
That looks so
pineapple. And Sarah is hungry. We're almost home, princess. Almost home. Your dinner time is in 20 minutes. We'll be home before that. You want more cheese bread? You want cheesy bread? Alright, cheesy bread coming up.
How are you say?
But they are not saying what you say.
Me there too. How are you say?
I'm good.
You guys, and that's how we're ending the vlog for tonight.
That was a good day, right?
It was a beautiful day.
Yes, that was a good day.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell us what part of today's vlog was your favorite. And if it's your first time to the fan band, be sure to
Subscribe.
tell them again, Tyler.
Subscribe.
One more time.
Subscribe.
You hear that? You hear that? Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Tell face bye. Ty.
Bye.
Look.
Bye.
He's
Later.
watching TV. He's not even realizing he's not seeing Pato because he's not focused on you guys. Anyway, you guys, we're out.